All right.
What you mix with though? You mix with something? What's your? What are you?
You know what? That's funny. I feel it's weird when people say what you mix with because I feel like not enough people rep for being black.
You got the hair thing going on. You got chinky
my daddy.
eyes. Look like you got Chinese on the arm. Like
my daddy is half Indian, and my father's side is mixed with a lot of Asian. If you want some Chinese in you, my daddy could give you some cock, Bangkok. So but shout out to my black sisters, because I don't think we're proud of who we are enough, and so I always want to put that out there.
Okay, Nikki.
Yes.
Every time I see you.
Okay, so it's like a couple months later, but I'm still going to reply to this comment. Now, I'm not going to get up on here and claim something for someone else, especially if they don't claim it themselves, but she literally claimed it herself. If you didn't hear right, the lyric was, my dad is Indian, swish all this curry. So her dad is literally of Indian descent. So technically speaking, that makes her Indian because she has Indian roots. And I also said this in the last video that some countries from the Caribbean are a melting pot of different races, ethnicities, and cultures. For example, places like Trinidad and Guyana have people of African, Indian, Chinese, and even Middle Eastern descent. So, in conclusion, her roots are still her roots, and it doesn't matter if she's a half or a quarter or whatever it is, it's still her fucking roots. And that doesn't make her any less part of that community.
So a lot of people have asked me to do Nicki Minaj, and because of that I have one of my drafts, but as I stated before, this was never supposed to be a call-out series. Instead, I want to address this comment. So in case y'all didn't know, Nicki Minaj is Trinidadian. She's Indo-Trinidadian, and it seems like a lot of people forget that Trinidad is made up of people brought over from Africa and India. So this is why Trinidad's culture is basically a mix of African and Indian culture, and even if you want to say that only one of Nicki Minaj's grandparents is Indian, you can't escape the culture that is the mesh in Trinidad. This is literally where you'll get Trinidadian singers like Charlie Black, who has a song literally called My Indian Girl. It's just a mesh of culture, and just because you are 1/8 or something purebred Indian, you still have that Indian culture if you're from Trinidad and Tobago.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj. Looking Trinidadian, Japanese and Indian. Got Malaysian, got that yaki, that wavy Brazilian.
Y'all better get this nigga before he get his hammer. Indian gal. Indian gal. Indian gal.
Yes, man.
Super T.
Don't be this Indian girl, can come and wine and walk she waist. Take over the street, make a bacchanal in the place. Drop it to the ground and shake it all around. Push up on a speaker, beat it like a Indian drum. Calling Mr. Lodella. This girl, she popular. She known from all over. She come from India, but she is my sister, my one only sister. If you coming over, come and meet me by the bar. So you can walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder.
You want me walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder.
Boy, come and walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder.
You want me walk up the ladder, walk up the ladder, walk up.
Urban team girl them. White liver. Indian, yeah. Baby, yeah. Indian blood in a yo, yeah. Blood in a yo. Bossa wine, yeah. Come now, bossa wine fi me cock up on the balcony. You want me pretty little Indian girl. Your tongue you license it, love when you bite your lip. Sing, you want me still Indian girl. You no regular cause you no ching bang girl. See your body jaw crowd like Sting Jam Roll. Bring you to me mother go Clarendon girl.
Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words